So what is pH? pH tells us how acidic or how basic something is. Can you think of anything in your house that might be acidic? Or anything in your house that is basic? Go ahead and take a minute to write your ideas down on your worksheet. There are a lot of household items that are acidic. Lemon juice is a very common one. Vinegar is also an acid. And so are carbonated soft drinks. How about bases? Soap is basic, as is baking soda. Bleach is a really strong base. The number of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions is what makes something acidic or basic. If there are more hydrogen ions with a +1 charge, that substance is going to be acidic. On the other hand, if there are more hydroxide ions with a -1 charge, that substance is going to be more basic. If the substance has an equal number of hydrogen and hydroxide ions, that is going to make it neutral. pH is the scale we use to measure how acidic or basic a liquid is. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14, where 0 is very acidic, 7 is neutral, and 14 is very basic. Don't forget that the pH scale is logarithmic. This means that a liquid with the pH of 9 is 10 times more basic than a liquid with a pH of 8. And then a liquid with a pH of 10 is 100 times more basic than that liquid with the pH of 8. This means that the pH 9 liquid has 10 times the number of hydroxide ions that the pH 8 liquid does, and the pH 10 liquid has 100 times more hydroxide ions than the pH 8 liquid. So what if you want to know if something in your house is acidic or basic? Take a minute to go to the first website in part 2 of your worksheet. There you will learn about different household items that you can use as pH indicators. Pick one or more of these indicators that you have at home, and then choose 3 liquids to test to see if they're acidic or basic. If you have the right indicator, you can even determine what the general pH of the liquid is. You can use one of the household liquids I've mentioned, or try a different one. I don't have any red cabbage at my house, so I'm going to use turmeric mixed in water as my indicator and test these 3 liquids: vinegar, tap water, and a baking soda solution. In addition to your indicator and the 3 different solutions that you're going to test, you'll want to get some clear glasses so that you can see the color change in your solution. And depending on the indicator, you may need some different kinds of supplies from your kitchen to prepare your samples. Remember, the most important thing is safety. So make sure you check with your parents before you start your experiment. Always wear gloves, and definitely don't forget your safety glasses. When you've assembled your supplies, selected 3 liquids to test, and made your predictions on your worksheet, go ahead and watch the YouTube video on red cabbage pH indicators. That'll be the second website on part 2 of your worksheet. Then perform your own experiment, record your results, and start the next water quality video, Testing pH at Home, part 2.